Want to replace a shock absorber on your washing machine? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What do you need? A flathead screwdriver, a socket spanner, and a new shock absorber. Step 1. Remove the underside of the washing machine. Loosen the screws from the underside. Using a flathead screwdriver, loosen and carefully remove the plate. Step 2. Remove the old shock absorber. Loosen the shock absorber bolts using a socket spanner. Remove the bolts when loose. Remove the shock absorber by gently wiggling it up and down. Step 3. Insert the new shock absorber. Place it where the old shock absorber was. Push the shock absorber firmly and then screw the bolts back in. Step 4. Put the bottom back in place. Click the plate back on the washer and tighten all the screws. You have replaced a shock absorber and the washing machine is ready to use again.